Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So many of us face this problem of hair fall. पर सबसे पहले जानने की बात ये है कि hair fall होता क्यों है? So hair fall can be because of many reasons like stress, unhealthy eating habits, changes in the lifestyle, then pollution, dandruff, maybe the reaction from medicines, then hereditary issues and many such reasons. Even though we have hundreds of brands available in the market, but we still don't seem to find that perfect hair oil or shampoo for us. That is because we don't find something that can cater to our needs and we keep switching the products. So in that case, we want something more personalized for us. In that case, Ayurvedic Kit by Vedix comes to the rescue. Vedix works on the Ayurvedic three dosha theory, according to which Prakriti consists of three doshas, namely Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vata represents the mechanisms of air and ether energies in our body, Pitta represents the mechanism of fire energy in the body, and Kapha represents the mechanism of water and earth energies. If there is any imbalance in your body, it leads to various skin and hair problems. So to know exactly what lacks in your body, you will need to answer a questionnaire, which is a really detailed one comprising of some 30 questions. You will find this questionnaire for free on their website. I was impressed by the questions. They will ask you everything from your hair, nails, skin, oral health and even your mental traits. After you have answered all the questions, they will let you know about the kit you will need. They recommended me the Vedix Anti-Hair Fall Kit. After you have placed your order, you will get this cardboard box. You will receive an information booklet inside it, which will have details about the products, usage instructions, your weekly planner and frequently asked questions. Then you will find this jute potli, inside which you will find the hair oil, shampoo and hair regrowth serum. First, let's talk about Vedix Anti-Hair Fall Oil. You will receive this product in a packaging of 100 ml. Hair oil consists of natural ingredients like Bhringraj, Amalki, Vata, tea tree oil, grapeseed oil. This customized oil helps in nourishing and conditioning your hair. The herbs arrest hair fall and leaves your scalp healthy and rejuvenated. According to the weekly planner, you need to use it every alternate day for the first 3 months, after which you can apply twice a week for maintenance. This Vedix Anti-Hair Fall Oil was really light in consistency. Sometimes it becomes difficult to understand if the oil has actually penetrated to the roots, but the oil spreads really nice and has very mild natural fragrance. Next product is Vedix Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo, which again comes in a packaging of 100 ml. It comes in a pump packaging and is really convenient to use. Shampoo is quite thin in consistency, so you don't need to mix water inside it. It spreads really easy and lathers well too. For my hair length, I had to use 5 to 6 pumps to completely get rid of oil. This paraben and sulfate free shampoo gently cleanses the scalp and also helps maintain your scalp's ideal pH balance. I found my hair a little dry just after washing them, but good part was that the dryness just went away after a few hours. Now let's talk about the final product of this kit, which is Vedix Hair Regrowth Serum, which comes in a packaging of 50 ml. This serum has Cassia Dryas, which has nourishing properties best for hair growth. This is a water-based serum and it won't make your scalp oily. It easily gets absorbed in the scalp. Make sure you use this serum only after your hair has completely dried up, and you need to apply it only on the scalp and not on the length of your hair. Now coming to the price of this Vedix Ayurvedic Hair Care Kit. It is going to cost you rupees 16.99. But if you are going to take the subscription plan, it will cost you much less. If you are going to subscribe it for 3 months, then it will cost you just rupees 14.99 per month. And if you are going to take the subscription plan for 6 months, it will cost you rupees 9.99 per month. I know the price is little on the expensive side, but considering the fact that the hair care kit is Ayurvedic and it has all the natural products and they are personalizing the kit for you, I think the kit justifies its price. Now coming to my experience of using this hair care kit. Now Vedix hair care kit has this instruction card inside it, which says that you have to follow this kit for 3 months at least, and they have this weekly planner. Now they have everything mentioned over here, like on Monday, like you have to oil your hair in the night, then on Tuesday you have to shampoo, and then after your hair has dried up you have to apply serum, then again on Wednesday you have to oil it in the night, then on Thursday you have to shampoo and serum, then Friday oil, Saturday is shampoo and serum, then on Sunday you have to take leave. So basically it's like 3 days you have to do the shampoo, and on the rest of the 3 days you have to oil your hair. So I think it can be a little too much. So I usually wash my hair twice a week and I apply my oil in the morning itself and I keep it for 3 to 4 hours. So that's what I followed with this kit as well, because this routine can be a little too much, because it's really difficult to wash your hair thrice a week and then apply oil every day before washing your hair. So what I prefer is applying oil just before I am washing my hair with the shampoo. So that's what I do and that's what I followed with this kit as well. But I can tell you that I felt a lot of positive changes. Now my area of concern was the boils and those red bumps that I occasionally get on my scalp, and also the problem of dandruff. So I could see that there were no red bumps or those problems in my scalp in whole this period. I have been following this kit for like 15 days and I have been using it continuously for this period, not following the exact routine that they told me, but the routine that I usually follow. But still I could see a lot of positive change. कमिंग टू द हेयर फॉल, सो हेयर फॉल में मुझे एज सच कोई बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस तो देखने के लिए नहीं मिले हैं. मे बी बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट यूज दिस किट फॉर 3 months येट. तो मुझे पहले से 3 महीने यूज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एवरी हेयर केयर एंड स्किन केयर नीड्स अ टाइम ऑफ एटलीस्ट 3 months टू शो द इफेक्ट. तो एकदम से कोई भी नेक्स्ट डे कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं दिखने लग जाते एकदम से. तो आपको 3 महीने तो एटलीस्ट उस प्रोडक्ट को यूज करना पड़ता है. तो इस केस में मैं इसे पहले 3 महीने यूज करूंगी, उसके बाद मैं आपको एक अपडेटेड वर्जन शेयर करूंगी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑफ दिस वीडियो. तो आप जरूर चेक करना. और साथ ही साथ जो डैंड्रफ और बॉयल्स हैं, जो कि रेड बम्प्स थे मेरे स्कैल्प में, वो तो बिल्कुल चले गए हैं. वो अभी तक नहीं आए 15 डेज में. ओकेजनल ब्रेकआउट्स होते थे पर वो अभी तक नहीं आए हैं. और साथ में जो लेंथ है हेयर की वो काफी बढ़ गई है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि जो मेरे बेबी हेयर थे वो काफी ज्यादा लंबे हो गए, पहले इतने लंबे नहीं थे. सो आई थिंक इट इज वर्किंग इन दैट टर्म्स एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द हेयर फॉल. तो आई थिंक इट कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग स्लोली. तो हेयर फॉल वैसे भी इतनी जल्दी कम नहीं होता है. तो मे बी इफ आई विल यूज इट फॉर 3 months तो ये कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस, पॉजिटिव चेंजेस जरूर दिखाएगा. पर कुछ ना कुछ तो इसने पॉजिटिव चेंजेस दिखाए हैं, व्हिच आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट. एक चीज जो मुझे वेदिक्स ब्रांड के साथ और अच्छी लगी वो ये थी कि इन्होंने एकदम एक हेयर केयर एक्सपर्ट की तरह एक्ट किया एंड दे आस्क्ड यू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इन दैट क्वेश्चन, जिसमें सारी प्रॉब्लम्स वगैरह उन्होंने पूछी. उसके बाद दे क्रिएटेड द किट फॉर यू और उसके बाद उन्होंने फॉलो अप भी किया. तो दे ऑल्सो सेंड यू दिस ईमेल जिसमें पूछते हैं इफ दैट किट इज वर्किंग फॉर यू और नॉट. सो दैट आई फाउंड रियली गुड. Now coming to if I will recommend this kit to you or not, so I will definitely recommend this kit to you, क्योंकि अगर आपके साथ काफी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, हेयर में इश्यूज हैं, so you should definitely answer that questionnaire. उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपके लिए क्यूरेट कर देंगे किट. एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सब्सक्राइब इट फॉर 3 months तो आपको सस्ती मिलेगी और साथ में आपको पता चल जाएगा इफ इट इज वर्किंग फॉर यू और नॉट. और फिर आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो इफ यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू इट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म और नॉट. तो आप एक बार जरूर इसे ट्राई करके देखें और देखें कि आपके साथ पॉजिटिव चेंजेस हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे हैं. मेरे साथ तो डेफिनेटली कुछ पॉजिटिव चेंजेस हुए हैं एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस मोर, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि एक्चुअली में ये वर्क करता है या नहीं. दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो गाइज. आई होप दिस वीडियो वॉज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू एंड आई होप आई वॉज एबल टू टेल यू एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस ब्रांड, एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो या फिर आपको ये हेयर केयर किट चाहिए हो तो मैं आपको पूरा लिंक वगैरह दे दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. साथ में इसके बारे में और भी इन्फॉर्मेशन डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. प्लीज फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. आई विल सी नेक्स्ट टाइम. टिल देन बाय बाय. टेक केयर.